Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set Bluebeam as default PDF viewer. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch Bluebeam Review on your Windows computer. If prompted, just run the application as an administrator to ensure that you have permission to change default app settings. Now, once Bluebeam opens, just go ahead and click the Review menu in the top left corner and click Review here and select Preferences. And you can also press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open the preferences window instantly. So in the preferences window, select admin. All right, so select admin from the left navigation. And once you select admin, now under default PDF viewer, just go ahead and click on open default programs. Now this opens the default app settings in Windows where you can choose which application opens PDF files by default. So in the Windows default apps window, locate Bluebeam Review in the list of installed applications and select it. Okay, so in the Windows default app window, all right, so open Bluebeam, looking for Bluebeam, and click on it. So remember what I said, just go ahead and click on set defaults by app and looking for Bluebeam, select Bluebeam, select manage, and take you here. Now, if another, should go ahead and find the PDF file associated. Now, if another application such as Microsoft Edge PDF or Adobe Acrobat is currently assigned, just go ahead and click on it. Then you can see this is a PDF, FDF. All right, and here you have default app. These are the names and file type, and these are default app, Microsoft Edge and Review. So just go ahead and choose Review from the list, and you see that you have this choose app and choose Review, and there you go. So once you do that and confirm your selection, Windows will now associate all PDF files with Bluebeam Review. So close the settings window after changes saved, and to verify the change, just locate any PDF file in the File Explorer and double click it. So the file should now open automatically in Bluebeam instead of another PDF application. Now, if it doesn't work, if it doesn't work, like once you click on your PDF and it doesn't directly take you into Bluebeam, then just come over here again to where you have preferences. Like I'm going to have to, okay, see, it worked. Actually, it's opened, but then let's just confirm again. Head over to review and head over to preferences just for you to be sure, and click on admin. And then when you have default PDF viewer, click on this and it takes you right into this page. So scroll the way down where you have set defaults by app. So it takes you here, and click on Bluebeam Review, click on manage again. So now right here where you have Microsoft Edge as one of the default apps, you want to make sure that you click on this, and from choosing from all these apps that appear, click on Review. So you just want to ensure that only Review, that's Bluebeam Review, shows both as Review and both as the first option and the second option. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and close the tab. You can close this tab as well. So I want to go to any file, head over to download, documents, downloads, to see if I have any PDF that I can just easily. Now you see it's immediately came here. So that's how. So it's immediately came here. I just went up here and I, okay, let's see, now this is key lab. I double click on it and you see, so that's how it works. So go over tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.